This week, I'll be sharing with you 3 steps in planning your Instagram posts in advance. Step 1 is to plan. The first step for successful posts in advance is to plan how you're going to accomplish it. You'll first need to decide how often you like to post on your account. This can be 3 times a week or 5, it's up to you. Then you're going to decide how far in advance you want to create content for. A good thing to do is research holidays and national days for the coming month to see if you like to create any content around any of those days. Now that you have all of this, it's now time to write out the content you'd like to post throughout the time frame you selected, along with the days that you'd like them to be posted on. Once that has been completed, you can go ahead and get started on your design. Step 2 is design. We're now on to the fun part. Because you've planned everything previously, it should now be easier to create your graphics. First, you're going to gather all design elements if you've listed any. Then you're going to decide what program you'll be editing in. When designing your graphics, make sure you utilize your branding guidelines. Think about layout and text placements. Once complete, you're going to check your designs for any errors before you export. Here is an example of the content for Hello Next Brand's Instagram feed during the design phase using Illustrator. I like to do my posts 9 at a time, so that is how I set it up in Illustrator with 9 artboards. So you will open up Illustrator. Then you'll create a new document in the file 1080 by 1080, and then you'll select how many artboards you want to have. Once that has been created, you can now go ahead and start designing. This is how Hello Next Brand's content for the first 2 weeks of May looks like. Once you have completed all of your designs, if you're using Illustrator, you will then go and export them. So you'll go to File, Export, Save for Screens. This way you can export all the artboards at the same time instead of individually exporting them. Step 3 is schedules. In order to be organized and ahead of the game, it's easier to schedule your posts so that you can move on to other aspects of your business. If you don't already have a site that you use to schedule your posts, there's a few to choose from, but my personal favorite is Later. You'll go ahead and upload all of your images and place them on the dates you originally decided to have them published. When you're scheduling your posts, it's also helpful to create a caption for your image one time and also add your hashtags as well. Select the time you like it to be posted on, and you're good to go. You're looking at 2 to 3 weeks of content. As you can see, I've selected a variety of different times for their content to be posted on. If you would like to use Later to schedule your Instagram post, you can use the link below to sign up and get started. And while you're in the description box, don't forget to use the link to grab your free checklist and planning grid for creating Instagram posts in advance. Until next time, peace.